Border Roads Organisation motorcycle expedition team received a warm welcome in Shillong by the officiating Chief Engineer HQ R&D Establishment BRO SUNIL CHOUBEY on their arrival in the state capital on 23 November 2021. The expedition team of 75 riders, including officers and other ranks of the BRO, that was flagged off by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh from the War Memorial, New Delhi on the 14th of October 2021, will cover 20,000 kilometers over 75 days and will culminate at New Delhi on the 27th of December this year, after covering the length and breadth of the entire country. This is all part of the AZADI AMRUT MAHOTSAV, or the India at 75 celebration of India's independence. The team was welcomed by Principal of St. Claret Higher Secondary School, Nongmansong, Shillong, Father Saibi Kuriakos, while on their visit to the institution on the 24th of November 2021. The expedition team addressed the gathering on national integration and infrastructure development of far-flung and inaccessible areas, especially in the north and northeastern parts of India. The officiating Director General of Assam Rifles, Major General D.K. Singh, flagged off the expedition team for their next leg of the journey towards Kolkata.